Hi, welcome. This is Chiranjeevi. Today's topic is first PUC's linear inequalities, which has been asked in the year 2014 to 2019 Karnataka CET. Now we go for the problems. First one, the set capital A equal to x from modulus 2x plus 3 less than 7 is equal to the set which has been asked in the year 2014, and they have been given four options. Given modulus 2x plus 3 less than 7. So if you simplify this can be written as minus 7 less than or equal to 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 7. And if you shift that plus 3 on both sides, it will become minus 3 minus 3. So it means nothing but minus 7 minus 3 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 7 minus 3. So then it will become minus 10 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 4. Dividing by 2, minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Adding 5 on both sides, we get 0 less than or equal to x plus 5 less than or equal to 7. So the option is C. Next problem, the solution set of the inequation x square plus 6x minus 7 whole divided by modulus of x plus 4 less than 0, which has been asked in the year 2015. So we have been given the options. Absolute value is always non-negative. It will be always positive. So this x square plus 6x minus 7 divided by modulus of x plus 4 is less than 0, which will become x square plus 6x minus 7 less than positive term, less than 0. So x square plus 6x minus 7 is less than 0. So if we simplify the middle term, x plus 7 into x minus 1 is less than 0. So the value minus 7 less than x less than 1. Since x cannot be minus 4, in the denominator we have x plus 4. If it is minus 4, it will become positive 1. So then we'll get it as it lies between minus 7 less than x less than minus 4 and minus 4 less than x less than 1. So the option is C. So the next problem, third one, if modulus x minus 2 less than or equal to 1, then, which has been asked in the year 2017. The options are given as below. Modulus x minus 2 less than or equal to 1, minus 1 less than or equal to x minus 2 less than or equal to 1. Shifting minus 2 on both sides, it will become minus 1 plus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. It lies between closed bracket 1 comma 3. So the option is C. The next problem, if modulus x plus 5 greater than or equal to 10, then, which has been asked in the year 2018, the options are given. Modulus x plus 5 greater than or equal to 10 can be taken as minus 10 greater than or equal to x plus 5 greater than or equal to 10. Now shifting that plus 5 to both sides, minus 10 minus 5 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 10 minus 5. Minus 15 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 5. So it lies between minus infinity comma minus 15 union of 5 comma infinity. So the option is C. Next one, if modulus 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 2, then, which has been asked in the year 2019, the options are given below. Modulus 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 2, minus 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 2. If we shift 5 on both sides, it will become 3 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 7. So it will be in the form of dividing by 3, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7 by 3. So the option is A. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Yours Chiranjeevi. Thanking you.